another to complete the text. So we've got, given archaeological evidence that maize originated in Mexico and diffused northward into what became the U.S. Southwest, we've got to figure out what some linguists would reason here. So we go a little bit above and we discover we've got the Shoshone language and we've got Nahuatl. And so there's similarities, but vocabulary pertaining to maize isn't shared between northern and southern branches, even though it's in both places. So we need to find an answer choice that explains why you've got different words for maize in these two languages that are otherwise rather similar. So then choice A, northern Uto-Aztecan tribes likely obtained the crop from a southern Uto-Aztecan tribe. Well, if that were the case, why wouldn't they have the same word? So goodbye to A. Then choice B, variation in maize-related vocabulary within each branch of the Uto-Aztecan family likely reflects regionally specific methods for cultivating the crop. I don't know why they have different words. We just know that they do. So B needs additional information. Then choice C, southern Uto-Aztecan tribes likely acquire maize at roughly the same time as northern Uto-Aztecan tribes did, though from different sources. Well, again, if they got it at roughly the same time, why don't they use the same word? I mean, there'd be the similar construct or similar circumstances. So goodbye to choice C. And then choice D, the family's division into northern and southern branches likely preceded the acquisition of the crop by the Uto-Aztecan tribes. Well, the split had already occurred, so they get new words. So our correct answer is D.